We are at Wolfe Mountain in Branson, Missouri, where we're going to try out the Snowflex tubing. Let's go! This is Amy with TPF, Trips, Places, and Fun, where we show you how to have fun and exciting family-friendly adventures. We are here at Wolfe Mountain. We're just north on 65 of Branson, Missouri, and we are going to try out some Snowflex tubing. Even though it's 80-something degrees outside, we're gonna do some tubing, so it's gonna be so fun. Now, Wolfe Mountain also offers zipline adventures, so that's available for you here. But today, we are just gonna do the snow tubing, and the cost for that is $34.99 per adult and $29.99 per child. But here we go, we're super excited. All right, here we go. You excited, girls?
Yeah, but I'm also sort of scared.
You're sort of scared? Oh, you've done it before. It's really fun. Okay, so we gotta get our tubes first. We have been here before, so 2 times, I think.
How long ago?
Like 9 months, maybe.
Okay. Well, as a refresher briefly, please do not sit down on our conveyor belt.
Okay.
Do not run on it.
Sounds good.
Also, keep your hands and feet up off the white as you go down.
Okay.
Cool.
Got it? Okay. Thank you. You're good. I can.
What?
And they said, Eva, as you go up, you can't touch the white stuff. I mean, when you go down the hill, you can't touch the white stuff. You just go down in your tube.
Oh my God.
Careful. You got it. Okay.
I'm putting this one.
All right. It's so fun, isn't it? Did you love it? See, you loved it. Woo!
Amy, you are both on TPF and Facebook Live at the same time.
Wow.
Say hi to Mandy. She's watching.
Hi, Mandy. So I'm gonna let the kids.
Wait. Hey, back up because I've got my zoom lens.
You have your zoom lens. Okay.
Yeah, so I need you to back up.
I'm
even
gonna.
more.
Woo.
There you go. That's good.
I'm gonna let the kids do a couple without me because, believe it or not, even though you're on a conveyor belt, it's a workout. So.
How is it a workout? Explain that to all of our people that maybe they need to go to the gym before they come, or.
Well, just even pulling the tube onto the conveyor belt, off of the conveyor belt, you know, walking up with the tube on the conveyor belt if you don't want to wait. Yeah. I don't know, and it's hot. So I'm just going to take a break. The kids have more energy than I do, and I'll join them again in another round or two.
All right, yeah, so it is hot out here. And again, sorry to all you Facebook Live folks. I have to give preference to the other cameras, so it's probably kind of jittery. You might not be able to hear Amy that well, but it is what it is.
So the way the pricing works is that when you purchase your tickets inside, they give you a wristband, and my wristband says $150, and you get a full hour this is what time I have to leave, or I have to be done, you get a full hour to ride as much as you want. And so, you know, today there's really no wait, so you can just go as many times as you can up and down that conveyor belt and back down the hill. I think my dad, when we took him here, I think he did it 13 times in 1 hour. So
that might be a world record.
That might be. He said he was trying to set a record for the old guy with the most rides down the hill. So yeah, he just one right after the other went down. So you can do it as much as you want within that hour. Typically I end up riding, I don't know, 5 to 8 times. I've done this a few times. And the kids maybe get a little more in because they have more energy than I do, so.
Now one of these days we want to try these zip lines. We don't have pricing for the zip lines. It's online, you can find it. We didn't grab that because we were focused on the Snowflex, but it's got a really great reputation. I've heard a lot of great things about it.
Yeah, it looks really beautiful. And we've done a zip line in Branson West, but this one looks really cool. And you can—
There's the kiddos.
Oh, there's the kids all coming down the mountain right now. So, yeah, but the theming is so cool in the gift shop. It's set up like to look like an old time town, you know, with the general store and, you know, little storefronts. It's super cute. So this is a fun way to spend an afternoon or a morning.
Or when it's not as hot.
Yeah, it is hot today. Luckily, it's only in the 80s. It has been in the 90s, so this is actually a bit better than it has been.
Does it still spray you on the hill?
It does. So when you're coming down the hill, when you get towards the bottom, you get a spray in your face or a mist, and that's what keeps the hill kind of slippery, I guess. But yeah, you'll probably see that on the GoPro when we do the video because, you know, we were getting a mist all coming in our faces. But it's nice and refreshing on a day like today.
All right, are you going back up?
I'm gonna go up next round, so I'd have to run to catch up with the kids, and I don't feel like running.
we can't have any of that.
No running. And took a peek at the pricing for the zip lining, and it looks like that starts at $45 per person and goes up to $99 per person depending on which package you choose, and they do have some family rates. So if you have a big family, you know, check out that family rate.
So are you taking another break?
I'm done. I'm actually done. In fact, what time is it? Can you look at your watch?
20 to 2.
Okay, so we only have till 1:50 anyway, so we only have 10 minutes left. And I'm done. I went 5 times. That's usually about what I do, 5 to 8 times. And but the kids, you know, they're going longer. But it in the heat, it kind of drains you.
Hey, Amy, stand up.
Why?
Stand up. Turn around. And what should people do?
Subscribe.
They should subscribe.
Is my back all sweaty?
It's black.
Okay. Yes, subscribe and hit that bell. We hope you enjoyed riding along with us at the Snowflex at Wolfe Mountain. We had a great time. Shout out to our wonderful flight crew. And Ella wants to give a shout out to a friend of hers.
Abby Grabowski.
Abby Grabowski? The one and only, the famous Abby Grabowski?
Thanks again for following along.
Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to thank all of our patrons and encourage the new patrons.
Thank you so much to those who support us, who help us do and share fun things like this. And safe travels, everyone.
Safe travels.
Yeah.
You're tired and hot.
Eva's tired and hot.
Don't come here when it's like 90 degrees out.
It is so hot.